Hi students, welcome. In this video, we will study about array command in AutoCAD. Here we will understand about rectangular array, path array and polar array. So students, let's first see here how to call this array command in AutoCAD. For that you can directly use your mouse and click here, as you can see here, and here rectangular array, path array and polar array commands are there. Or else you can, second method is here, you can directly type in the command bar array like this and click enter. Then we need to select any object here. For understanding, I'm just selecting here one object. I'm here using array command, then enter, then selecting this object. Okay, after selecting the object, we need to again press here enter. Okay, after that you will get to see here in the command bar there rectangular, path and polar, and also here you can see rectangular, path, polar. Whatever the array command you want to choose, you can choose from here, this from these tabs, or you can type the initial letter of particular here. As you can see here in the command bar, for rectangular we need to type R, for path we need to type here PA, and for polar we need to type PO. Okay, now let's see one by one all three commands. So here let's first we will see the rectangular array command. For that I am here typing array. Okay, array, then enter. Then I'm selecting the object here, this I'm selecting this table. Okay, then again clicking enter. Okay, as you can see here all the options I had come. Then clicking, I am entering R here, then enter. As you can see here, the rectangular array has been applied here to this particular chart. Now we can adjust all the rows, columns, distance between the each table, as you can see here. Okay, now let's edit the rows and column. Here I am giving 3 columns, then enter. Then distance between the 3 columns I am taking as 100, then enter. Okay, now rows also here 3, I am taking 3, then enter. Then distance between these I am taking as 3. Okay, as you can see here, the all the rectangular array features we have entered. After editing all these data in the for the rectangular array command, we need to press enter again to exit. Okay, as you can see here, array command has been used here, rectangular array command. Okay students, before going further in this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any queries, please comment, or else better option is please follow me on my Instagram page or Facebook page, and ask me question if you have any doubts related to AutoCAD. Students, if you want to know any other topic related to AutoCAD and something else, please inform me in the comment box so that I can make a video on that particular topic, so that you can understand that topic also much better way. So students, please again I am asking you to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's see the path array command in AutoCAD. For that I'm here typing array, then enter. Then I'm selecting the object, then pressing enter and typing PA for path and pressing enter. Now I'm selecting here path, see here, an array path. By after selecting the path, that is this line, the object has been come here. So now here above, see, this is the this for selecting the items. Okay, for selecting the items, we need to click here, and from here we can specify the number of our items. So here 12, I'm here typing 10 and then pressing enter. Okay, now my objects are 10, items are 10. Okay, now I'm specifying here distance between them. I'm here specifying distance 500, as you can see here. Okay, now see total length we have got here, and also from here you can also select the rows, the number of rows. I'm clicking here, typing here 3 and pressing enter. Okay, so as you can see here 3 rows has came, and also I can adjust the distance between the rows. I'm here keeping as 50. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, changes has been done. Okay, after that we need to press enter so that we can close this command. Okay, if you want to know detail about each these commands, that is the in detail, how to use in detail this rectangular command or this path command or this or the polar command, please comment me in this video so that I can make the detailed video on each array command, that is rectangular array, polar array and path array. Okay, so now let's see here third method, that is polar array command. So here for that I'm here typing now array, then pressing enter, then I'm selecting here the object, then again pressing enter, then I'm typing here PO, then pressing enter. Okay, now we need to specify the center of the circle, so I'm here specifying the center. Then as you can see here above, this pop-up menu has been come. From here we can edit the edit the settings. So for that here I am here now selecting here 8. Okay, 8 here circles has been come. So here as you can see here 8 we have selected. From here also we can change the number of rows. I'm here selecting 3, pressing enter. Sorry, here it is 30 now. 3, then pressing enter. Okay, so here you can see 3 rows has been generated. Okay, also we can specify the distance between each row. So I'm here clicking 10 now. As you can see here rows has been generated. Okay, after doing all the changes we need to press enter to close this array command. Okay, so students, in this video we have understood about array command in AutoCAD. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.